topic asidi yamna interest oiba topic ni ko topic to ki which is more concentrated 1 molar or 1 molar solution 1 molar solution amaga 1 molar solution amaga kanana hena concentrated oige si asine bi yeng loisi ko koina audi more concentrated means more amount of solute ne maramdi koina class 9 da definition yeng chi ko concentration ki definition da kamain pi so concentration ki definition da amount of solute present in given amount of solution or not jagana solvent hairaga piyo yanre ko on concentration ki definition da amount of solute present in given amount of solution or solvent nangi given amount of solution natra solvent da yauriba amount of solute koina concentration hairaga khangne ko that means sida yeng nang concentration hek ibaga number 1 kana chungthule amount of solute chungthule that means nang sida khangisi concentration ga directly proportional to amount of solute kane amount of solute ka directly proportional that means solute ki amount yam makai concentration yamane ko sima next point ruiba point makai ni ko adu khanga matungda sigi kanana hena concentrated oige si yeng toini next point ta ikoina number of moles in terms of mass kamain p mass divided by molar mass hairaga p molar mass that means nangi ngasai gi number of moles amuk kanada depend tore mass depend tore that means number of moles ka directly proportional to mass ka ne ko auna nangi ngasai gi mass sauriba makai number of moles to saurani yanre ko sibau yari ko so number of moles ka mass ka mu direct relation lai re adu concentration ka kana ga su amount of solute ka su directly proportional ne audi sida yeng hoji ekoina example ama hekta haige ko nangonda glass ani lawe ko glass ani sigi glass ani lawe glass ani lawe sida hana aina sida ahanba sigi number 1 glass ina number 2 glass number 1 glass idana kamain tawge heba matam nang hana thumhi laureba salt ka water ka hana already present oiraga leire yare ko aduga akon bagi glass number 2 sidana only water ka present oireba aina ji gyan tari ko first glass tana nangi thumga isinga already present oiraga leire aduga akon bagi ani suba glass sidana only ising khakta ne present oise ai hojik sida 1 teaspoon of salt hapchileba ko chamas amagi thum hapchileba sida sab manana nangi glass number 2 da su chamas amagi thum hapchileba yabra kanana thum yakpagi chang kanana hengani obviously nangi glass number 1 haigane maramdi nangi glass number 1 sida already thum si present oilga lerame means nangi glass number 1 sida hana lerame si thumga isinga gi mixture dune se lerame si aduga glass number 2 sida di ising kakta leramane auna nana chamas amagi thum hapchila matungda hena yaktori si nangi glass number 1 sine that means more concentrated oidui si glass number 1 sine sigi concept si ka sab mane kamaina sab manage ba matamda sidi yengo koina molarity haina define tawba matamda kamain define tawi molarity capital M ko si define tawba matamda number of moles of solute present in given amount of solution haibnebako. Present in ai to irage ko number of moles of solute in hare samjilage in 1 liter of solution hare samjilage ko. Aduga amu molality hairagana molality m hairagana kama hai number of moles of solute present in 1 kg of solvent hai yung ko amana solution haiba amana solvent khakta audi sida yengo sigi molality ki case nangi number 2 glass siga manramgani yo. That means nai sida hana kana khakta yarami sing khakta aduga sigi 1 liter of solution haragana molarity ki case na number 1 glass siga compare to boy yaramgane maramdi solution haiba matamda already kana yawre solute ka solvent ga yawrame aduga solvent khakta haramina nang hana ising khakta leramisi auna sida yengo sida ngi diagram sida aigi black sina representation na solute ni aduga blue sina representation na solvent ne hojik nangi sigi diagram number 1 sina diagram number 2 harage ko diagram number 1 sida solute su yawre means black ball su yawre aduga solvent su yawre that means sigi pull up yawri se solute su solvent su yaramina si solution ni haiba yare then somdadi kana khakta yawre only solvent khakta yawre hojik nangi ngasai molarity ki definition na kari hai sida number of moles of solute present in 1 liter of solution ne ko ai hojik sida solute amo hapchilage solute nauna solute amo hapchilage sida chap manana solute amo hapchilage audi hanadi sigi diagram number 1 sida already solute hana present tawre aduga in the case of diagram number 2 di solute yawdre ko auna karambana hena concentrated oirani nangi hana solute already yawbasida amuk solute hapchin bataragadi more concentrated to sine oirane yare ko sidari hana solute yawbra yawde aduna nangi ngasai gi chap manana sigi diagram se chap manana case ta molarity haiba matamdadi nangi laurisi 1 liter of solution 1 liter of solution already solute ka solvent ga present oire leire that means solute already present oire leire yara aduga amu nangi molality dari solute hana present oiramde kon hapsila matunda present oiradoine auna nangi molarity hairo pulap kanaga directly proportional oinani number of moles ka directly proportional oinane amu ngasai number of moles te amu kanaga direct relation lay mass ka that means ani si compare to matamda nangna munna yengba taragadi kanana hena more concentrated oirani 1 molar sina hena more concentrated oirane kangen ko maramdi 1 molar haiba matamda 1 moles of solute present in 1 liter of solution haibane that means nangi solution da hanadagi solute present oiraga leire aduga in the case of solvent molality dadi solute hana present oiramdeba ko aduna 1 molar solution is more concentrated haigadaba ko yani ko any doubt narega su comment to biru thank you